Hi there, and welcome to this video on our new subject attainment pages. And we're just going to take you through how you can find those and what you can do once you're in there and what you can see. So I've started in the subject analysis area, and I've got my A-level table here. I'm just going to pop into one of the subjects, and I land on the overview page. But if I hover over the overview wording, I can see attainment on my drop down. So if I pop into attainment here, then I get a table that comes up with my subject attainment measures for biology. I've got a graph that's showing me my cumulative percentages, and you can see A star to A star to B, C, and E. If I want to simplify that graph, I can just pop off the colors there, and I can just see my graphs coming up. And as you've seen from me hovering, if I hover over, I can actually get a figure by hovering over the data points on the graph. If I scroll down that page, then I can see the percentages across all of my grades, my different grades for A level, and then my cumulative percentages down the bottom, and I can see that for all 4 grade points in my trend. Now the difference column shouts to this drop down here, the comparison grade point. So at the moment, that difference column is showing me the difference between the main grade point, that's January, and the December mock. But I can switch that by choosing another grade point in my trend. So if I switch that to the MPZ, now the difference column is showing me what the change in percentages between that first column there, the MPZ, and that column there, the main grade point in January. Now these are all percentages. If I want to see count of student, I can easily do that. I can just flick that tab there, the little toggle at the top, and it will now show me the count of student and the difference rather than the percentage. If I export that to Excel, I can get that information in an Excel spreadsheet, which I can then do manipulation with if I wish to. Now that's the A level. If I just go back to the subject analysis and I just flick that for one moment into GCSE, so I'll just do that. I've got my GCSE trend line here, and that's just popping up. That's it there. So I'll just choose biology again. Why not? And I'll pop in there. Same thing. Lands on the overview page. Just load that up, and then my attainment page will be available to me. And it's pretty much exactly the same thing. So you've got the count and percent toggle here, and then you've got your table down here of all the grades. You've got some cumulative percentages for GCSE here, look, 9 to 1 through to 9 to 7. But if I scroll back up to the top of the page, I've got the average point score here as well across these 4 grade points for my GCSE in biology. Thanks for listening. Hope that was helpful.